Hey guys, your boy TheSecPaq. We've got another reaction video here today. This time we got big man back in the building again. Alright, boom. So before this guy on your screen keeps on waffling, yeah, got a quick PSA announcement for you guys. I seen all the requests for the active gang, the plugged in, the new videos and that. I see it, trust me. Man's been down right now for a minute, ain't been able to edit, do you know what I mean? Man been feeling like piss basically. So hold on, it's coming out real soon, probably the end of the week, innit, when I'm feeling a bit better and I can like record in it. Cause right now, man ain't camera ready. But without further ado, let the guy on your screen keep waffling. Safe. We got We Want Wraiths, push the button freestyle. You lot been on to me about this one, so I'm trying to get it out for you lot. I don't know what to expect with this one. Come more time, this guy's thing's smooth. It's smooth. So I wonder what he's gonna do. I think this one's a bit of a more upbeat thing still. That's what I'm guessing it's gonna be. But yeah, we get into this one. We're on the road to 3K subscribers. You lot are moving crazy. Just brought 2.5 like, what, a week ago? Man's on 2.7 now. So if you ain't subscribed yet, push a little red button down below. Like, comment if you enjoyed the video. Let me know how you found it. But without further ado, we're gonna get into this one. Let's go. Let's turn this one up, man. Let's turn this one up. I've got the rawest thing. I don't watch the trim though. Nah, my head looks like a bulb. Hey, let me not even get to it, man. I'm messed up. Loud. Respect that thing still. That is a whip. I came out like this. Ooh, man came with the singing. I like this. Let me hear it properly. Wait, what's it? I'm the hottest in my city, plus the Marleys, we all get it. All the odds against me before it changed me, but it didn't. Oh, I was starting the first bars. Bro, that's deep, you know. I rate that thing, man. I rate that. Man's on the come up, grinding. Man made it here. Still. You what's mad as well? His channel, yeah? He uploads on his own channel. Man ain't even got that many subscribers yet. Every video just blows. Like, I rate his thing highly. Yeah. Wow, what's that hitting Millie? We finally did it. Ah. I need to like take this in. I don't do too much, but
traffic cut through it. My niggas don't care about nothing. Don't make me push on the button. Yeah, they really thought that I couldn't do it. Used to walk the streets with nothing, now we running through it. My niggas don't care about nothing, they gon' shoot. It's a dark place, my niggas ain't got nothing to lose. So much heartbreak, and it feels like this is far away. We worry, they got no heart, he gave his heart.
hey, do you see that transition? Whoever does this guy's videos, yeah, is actually class. He needs to get put on, because this guy is cold. Look at the transition. Yeah? Yeah. You say it's like the jury are hating and all the judges are fried. Bro. Ooh! Fuck all this drilling shit. I just want $1 million. Alright. Makes you wanna, it just makes you wanna chill.
Yeah, they thought he can't do it. Live like a movie and get through the ground through it.
Yeah.
Can't through it.
Can't
My
through it.
niggas don't care about love. Don't make me push on the
Button.
Yeah, they thought he can't do it. They only hate me 'cause they know that they can't play me. They looking different when I put it in the shade. My niggas don't care about love. Don't make me push on the button. Yeah, they thought he can't do it. My niggas don't care about love. Don't make me push on the button.
Cold, cold. A Tarantino motion picture by Teasy. I big up Teasy. Man got bare easy in his name, that's hard. This video was cold. I like this one still. Let me see if they got anything else on the end. I just gonna be shouting everyone out, innit? Bruv, We Want Race back with a banger, you know. The only thing I'll be real here is there were some parts here, like I had to go back a bit 'cause I didn't really understand with the accent. Like usually this thing's quite clear, but this one's a bit hard to understand, innit? But I like the flow, and that was a bit different. This one was more like a rap thing, flow, like it was faster, higher beat, you get me? But this guy can't miss. I'll be real, this guy can't miss. Like I don't even know what to say, he just can't miss. So I give him his props. It weren't as good as his other two tunes, do you know what I mean? Like Unforgettable was crazy, yeah. Emotionally Scarred, mad. Shanae, cold, yeah. I'll say this is like close to Shanae. I think Shanae still might be better than this one still. But I give this one like an 8.4 out of 10. You get me? 8.4 out of 10, yeah? See, do you know what I mean? I don't know. It's a freestyle, innit? So at the same time, I can't even hate on my man, you get me? It's a freestyle, you get me? He weren't doing too much with it. The others were movies. Man, felt like I was in a cinematic experience. I'm too educational these days. Anyway, yeah, if you lot mess with the video, drop a like, comment, let me know you found it. If you got any other suggestions as well, drop them down below. I'll see your comments in it, so I'm trying to get your videos out, so don't watch that. But yeah, without further ado, it's your boy Sex, the Set Pack, and I'm out. Sure.